The reason I make books is because I want a young child to love my book, not just to like it. A child has to say, I love this book. Then we're good to go. It's about that connection that you make with that reader that really makes this possible. So a lot of my ideas, when I make a book, my ideas start with a graphic element, not an idea about a character, but an element which then I work around that to develop character and then to develop a narrative. So after your idea is written, and after you have your story, do I write my story once? I write it twice? Do I write it 3 times? This book took about, I'd say, 8 months to write and about 22 different. I can control how he will read my book by the way that I design it. I can make Peter go, whoa! I can make Peter go, I can make Peter Jacoby go, yes. Book design is almost as important as the words and the pictures. If it is not well designed, it will not work as a book. If it is really well designed, you won't be able to keep your hands off it.